Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new account on Snapchat. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, download and open your Snapchat app. If you're having difficulties downloading Snapchat, do check out how to download Snapchat app video on our channel. When you open the app, tap on Sign Up. Type in your first and last name. And tap Sign Up and Accept. In the next step, add in your birth date. And tap Continue. Your username will be automatically generated. If you want, you can change your username as well. Just tap Change My Username. Type in a new username. And tap Continue. Next, create your own password. And tap Continue. Now you can verify your account with either an email or phone number. Here we will be using the email option. So type in your email. And tap Continue. Now you can add friends and allow access to your camera. Tap Turn On, then Allow. And that's how you create a new account on Snapchat. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.